Yo, then, boys, the moment you've all been fucking waiting for. And if you haven't been waiting for it, this is just something that you need to know and get to know. Boys, $100 flip, 30 days challenge. How far can we take $100 in the next 30 days? I put this in my Discord, a few weeks ago, and you man voted for $100. This is going to be the first time on this channel I'm using a live account, not a prop firm, not a demo, a live account. You're going to see me put the money into the account. You're going to see the trade I take today, and we're going to get a full understanding of what the fuck is going down. Right, boys, strategy we're using, breakout strategy. Learned everything from MambaFX. I only watch MambaFX. I've been in live trading room. I've gone through all of his courses, gone through all of his videos. I don't fucking strategy switch. I'm not trying to do ICT, SMC, and all this other bullshit, right? Straight into this breakout strategy. Session, London session. So I usually trade New York session with Mamba, right? Now, this time around, we're going to be doing London session. We're going to be trading UK100, DAX, and gold, and French 40, which I need to add. Right, so I've added that. But in the beginning, we are going to be starting with just these two pairs, and I'll tell you why a little bit later in the video. Starting balance, $100. That's the whole point of the fucking video. The broker that we're going to use is the exact same broker as what Mamba uses. It's Liquid Brokers. Again, I will put this in the description. We're going to be using the exact same strategy, the exact same broker, and we're going to be using $100 and see how far we can take. There's nothing going to be different here other than what Mamba does. He does with 1.2 million, whereas we're starting with $100. For every single day of the challenge, I'm going to have a P&L sheet where you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're going to see the week totals at the end of every single week for the challenge. If you guys want to check this Google Doc as well, it's all going to be in the description. Everything is getting shown in this video. When I mean everything, when I say everything, boys, I mean everything. I'm looking forward to doing this challenge. This is the first time using a live account on this fucking channel, and I couldn't be any more happy. I couldn't be any more gassed, to be honest with you. And this is a challenge to myself. This is a challenge to someone who, if you don't already know who I am, I'm just someone documenting my journey. I'm still in early stages. I'm still in the beginning stages. I'm still learning, just like a lot of you man are. So this is going to be a strength to me, using a live account, real psychology, not demo trading or anything like that, but with a small amount of money, just increments, small increments of money being made or lost every single day over a good time period, and just see where we are at the end of the month. I'm really looking forward to it. So look, boys, first thing we're going to do is we're going to deposit the money to the broker itself. So here we are. Here's what my dashboard looks like on Liquid, right? Obviously, I've traded in the past on a live account on here. I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to start a fresh account. Now I'm going to set up a fresh account before your very eyes, boys. Everything is going to be shown in this series. Everything. Now, what are we going to want to use? So we can either use Liquid Charts or we can use MetaTrader 5. Now I'm going to use exactly the same as what Mamba uses. So I'm going to be using Liquid Charts. Now you boys may be asking, what account do we start with? Where do we even start? Like, there's all these different options. Look no further. Boys, I've got you covered. I've already ran this through ChatGPT. Best option, ECN Liquid Charts. Why this is best? Tight spreads from 0 pips. Crucial when trading fast, like indices like German 40 and UK100. So this means super tight spreads. If you're used to trading on prop firm accounts, maybe like TradeLocker or whatever prop firm you've been trading on before, on prop firms, generally the spreads are like shit compared to like a live account. Liquid Brokers is by far the best broker I've used, like super tight. Standard commission, so $7 per lot, nothing. Only $10 minimum, so you can literally start with $10 minimum. Simple. We're going to do this in dollars. Simple, done. Now all I got to do is pay. So for me personally, boys, I'm going to use crypto. You can either use Bitcoin, you can use Ethereum. Now I'm going to use Tether, which is a stable coin in the cryptocurrency space. For those that don't know, I'm really deep and involved in cryptocurrency myself. So this is just really easy for me to do. Amount is going to be $100. Currency is going to be dollars. So look, super fucking simple, boys. All I got to do now is go on my Coinbase account and send $100 to this wallet. Done. Super simple. So I'm going to do that now. Boom. So there we go, boys. We sent $100 to the account. All we got to do now is just sit back, relax, just wait a couple minutes and wait for this payment to essentially process, right? It's now in process. That was literally 20 seconds later. Now, whilst we wait for the money to send, boys, I'm going to show you. So usually, New York session, we're trading US 30, NASDAQ. Now, for London session, we're going to be looking at UK100. With the amount of money of $100 in the beginning, UK100 is going to be the best option. Now, I've already done all the research and know what I need to know. And essentially, UK100 essentially is going to be the best because it requires the least margin. And with $100, we want to be having what requires the least margin as possible. So here we are, boys. If we want to turn $100 into 1,000 as quickly as possible, this is what ChatGPT itself's come up with, boys. So the goal, $100, target is to 10x the account, $1,000, right? Recommendation. So risk aggressively from the start. We're going to be risking 10 to 20% per trade, which is obviously high. With a prop firm, you're usually risking 1%, 2% max, preferably just 1%, right? We're going to be using 20 to 30 point stops on our trades using UK100 and France 40. To keep the margin under control, we're going to basically start off with UK100. We're going to be trading the FTSE because it requires low margin and the cleanest and has such clean moves at London session open. Now, backup will be France 40. That's if UK100 does fuck all or just has too much volatility. And only clean setups for DAX. Why? Because it requires more margin. And meaning, if we lose a trade, we can blow the account a lot quicker with DAX. So we want to stick to. Now, ideally, we want to be reaching 1 to 2 hours. Ideally, 1 to 3. And no revenge trading. Yeah, what I'll do, boys, is I'll put this all in the Google Doc. Put this all in the Google Doc so you guys can take a look at it and you can all have a plan all for yourselves if you want to do the same thing. Anyway, let's see if this money's gone into the account. Boom, depositive. There we go. So $100 is now in the wallet, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this money to our brand new live account. We're going to deposit the full amount, $100 on the dot. Confirm. If we go to our accounts now, it's loading. There it is, boys. $100 is officially in our account. $100. Right now it is night time for me, so I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna wake up in the morning. I'm gonna trade UK time 8 a.m. For those in the US and wherever the hell you are, time will be different. But for me, I'm from the UK, so 8 a.m. in the morning. So I'm gonna go to bed now. But there we go. Starting balance $100 is set. I'm looking forward to it. If you aren't already, sub the fuck up. I'm going to be showcasing you everything, documenting my journey, showing you the behind the scenes, showing you the shit that nobody else shows. So if you aren't already, buckle the fuck up and get subbed up. Boys, another day, another dollar. Peace. Then boys, market opens in literally seconds. As we see, look, real quick, boys, day one. This was a very unique setup straight away off the bat. As you can see here, it's already broken out. Like before the market's open, there's already a breakout. Now today, watch this video because I've been watching Mamba and I know how he deals with markets that are already broken out. So pay attention. It's already broken out to the upside. So just carry on watching and really pay attention because this sometimes happens, not every day, but it does happen a few times. And I learned this from Mamba himself, so carry on watching. We're looking for structure, you'll see. UK100 is already broken out. I'm looking for some sort of support to be made here. And then we'll take our buy, or we'll take our sell. So much bullish behavior, like, whoa. You're gonna wait a minute here. But you also just don't want to miss that breakout, right? You see here, what we're waiting for now is we're waiting for some sort of structure to be made. And as you can see here, if we do push back up, I will take another buy. But only if we fill this wick. Something I've learned from Mamba. Go on. Run for buys. So purposely, I didn't crop or chop any of that out in the beginning before I took the entry because I wanted to show you these, these certain circumstances where it's already broken out. But as you can see, if you watch it back again or if you just watched and you can remember, it came down, it bounced, it was bouncing, right? It didn't break through, but it came down, it was bouncing. It retraced, it went to the upside, retraced, basically found structure. If we went down to the 1 minute, I can guarantee with a little bit of structure, a bit more clear. But on the 5 minute, it wicked out to the upside, wicked out to the downside. And then what I'm planning on doing at that point is, so then as you can see then, the reason why I entered then is because it refilled the initial wick to the upside and more, boom, I was in. And if I'm honest with you, I was a little bit late on that entry. As you can see, it actually pushed, and I was a little bit late. We could have got a better entry there, but I thought that'd be really good to keep in because this helped me. And this might catch some of you off guard if you're not used to it or if you're not seeing it. Because usually we're just doing breakouts within a consolidation zone or a trend. But today it was just already pre-bought or pre-other. But today was already pre-breakout. So, boom, remember that. Here we go, first trade taken, London session, using a live account. And let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's a beautiful break on France 40 there. Wish I'd taken that, to be honest with you right now. Not a good start. Nice. France 40 is going back down. That'd be a nice sell here. Yeah, come on. Alright, UK100 is pushing back up now. We definitely bought it very late. See how this candle closes as well. It's struggling pushing past where I've entered. Alright, there we go. We're in some profit now. Pushing, so we're going to start this challenge off slow, boys. It's going to be very, very slow. It's going to give you an idea of how little amount of money you can start with. I'm risking literally $10 on this trade to make 10 to 20. Right, a beautiful closure. That's what we want. Now we just don't want this to turn red. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm really looking forward to doing this challenge. You guys were demanding this like mad. When I put the poll out a few weeks ago, crazy response. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. I'm actually going to enjoy doing this, to be honest with you. I think it's a fun little challenge. I'm also looking at TradingView on the right. I just love TradingView, it's so clean. So this is what I'm looking at right now. As you can see, TradingView here. And we've got liquid on the left here. It's what Mamba uses, as you all know. But yeah, I think the thing that's really good about using $100, obviously it's not the biggest amount of money in the world, but it also is probably better, and it's better than using a demo because we're using real money now. So psychology kicks in. Even though it's a little amount, we still have to be vigilant and very much paying attention. Rather than a demo, we can do what the fuck we want. Let's be honest. Do you know what I mean? So I think it's good to. Oh god, my entry's well late. This could quite easily just fucking flip on us. So hopefully tomorrow when we do day 2, we have better entry. There we go. Okay, cool. That's what we want to see. So we're coming up to a strong resistance now. Here. See how it manages with this area here. To be honest with you, maybe worth getting out. But if we do push past this area, it'd be lovely. So you pay attention to this area, how it reacts. We'd like it to break out of here, to be honest with you. Because that's when we're going to see some proper move. And you see, strong resistance. It even pulls back all the way here. These areas once was support. It is struggling. Yeah, if you've been watching my channel for a while, two of the things I need to work on is holding trades. So being able to hold through the trade. And then also, as well, when in a losing trade, exiting when I should. But to be honest with you, when you're using prop firms, this spread is shit. It's honestly shit, right? It's struggling with this area. See how it's bounced straight off of this previous resistance. Right, there we go. Now we're pushing. Fucking hell, finally. Someone just woke him up. Right, we just hit a target 2. We start trailing stops now. Boom. So a 1.5R. That's what we want. It's actually done something. There we go, still pushing. Ideally, I'm wanting a 2R. That's ideally what I want. There we go. We waited all fucking day for this. See, we're pushing. We're about to hit 2R. You know what, boys? I'm taking out 1.5 there. I'm not trying to be a dick for a tick. There we go. This is a winning day. This was aiming for the 2R, but Can't be greedy. It is starting to reverse now. So we got out at the right time. But day one, starting off well. Look at that. Alright, look then, boys. I am back. I had to be a little bit quiet doing that trade. I'll be honest with you, a little bit hush hush. Exciting, next door fucking doing the makeup and shit. All sleepy and tired and shit. So I was keeping it low because it's early at morning, you know what I mean? Slow trade this morning. Fuck you know. If you man are used to trading like New York session where you're seeing like US 30 take off and NASDAQ take off and fucking slap. Like, to be fair, I've been trading London for the past week. I've only traded London for the past week. And it's been a lot quicker most days. Sitting through all this consolidation was bullshit, let's be honest. But we got out here, we hit a 1-2, just shy of a 1.5. Yeah, we made $14. We've obviously commissions and we've obviously the spreads and shit like that. So we hit a 1 to 1.5R, but obviously with commissions and fucking shit like that, it's taking us down a little bit. And obviously with a small account, them commissions and them little amounts do make the difference, believe it or not. But yeah, we closed out $14 trade. Now what we're going to do is update the P&L. So I'll be with you in a second. Alright, look, so here it is for you, man. Day one, fucking winning day, let's go. I'd be so annoyed if it was a red day on the first day, but luckily not. And we started with some mad conditions. It was already overbought, as you saw. But yeah, green, so UK100, we took the trade. The direction was a buy, along. Risk per trade, I was risking $10. Took one trade. This is super important. If you man are new to this, or if you've been doing this for a while, in the beginning, we all did it. Stupid amount of trades. Usually what I'd have done now is I started going in and buy, sell, buy, and I fucking just get clarted, bro. Just get clarted. But we took one trade, so we're sticking to rules. Took a W, 1 to 1.5. 60 pips was the stop loss. Net result ended up $13.82, winning day. Now what I'm going to do now, so you can all go check this P&L in the description, is I'm going to add the trade screenshot. So I'm going to screenshot the trade. Take it back for you, boys. I'll screenshot the trade for you, man. So now, anyone with copy this, and I'll paste this in the P&L. So if you now want to go check this, every single day I'm going to upload this, right? Every single day. So if you all want to go in here, and there you are. Boom. I'm going to update my notes now as well. And then we'll have win rate. So win rate so far, 100%. But yeah, what a day, man. Slow. All this consolidation here was bullshit. But you know what? I'm glad we waited because we did hold out and get a little bit more profit. I mean, I should have exited when I saw it at 16, 17, but woulda, coulda, shoulda, and all this shit, you know what I mean? Did eventually hit our 2R. This blue line is 2R. If you want these Fibonacci settings, they are in my description of every video. Eventually, we'll start trading DAX. We'll also be looking at French 40. French 40 was a beautiful trade. I wish that they'd taken this personally. 4R, like this morning. That would have been the best trade, to be honest with you. UK100 was a little slow, I'll be honest with you. And it was already overbought. But just to recap, boys, what do we look for when the trade's already overbought? I'll tell you what we look for. So you know how when I first ended that trade, it was overbought? It'd already broken out, essentially. What I was looking for is I was looking for it to create structure. So I was looking for it to continue maybe up to the upside, but then come back down and create some sort of retracement, some sort of structure. And then on a second candle, I knew I could then take a buy or a sell off of the wick. Now this is actually just fucking collapsing now, but yeah, just an important thing to look at when something's already pre-broken out on a sell or a buy. Something to look for. Like for example, if it was a sell, if it's already sold and it's broken out, so it's come down, sold, and it's like another minute or two till market open, you want to pay attention. Is it going to come back down? Okay, cool. We've got some sort of retracement. Is it struggling to break past it, or has it now become support? You know what I'm saying? Or resistance in a sell case. If it starts to push up again, okay, now we can take our entry. But that's what I did essentially today on the buy. So yeah, W day, winning day, and yeah, happy days. But yeah, boys, I look forward to doing this for the next 30 days. Again, if you do want this P&L sheet, like if you want this tracker, like you make it your own, you can have it. It's in my fucking description. I just give everything away. Like if you've not already watched me at this point, I just fucking sling my meat around and just fucking give everyone all this shit I get my hands on. Besides that, boys, another day, another fucking dollar. Well, another $14 today. Come on.